Hey everybody, Justin here with Ultra Bright Lights, and in front of me is the brand new Z-Flash switch module. Let's go ahead and unbox it and I'll show you exactly what you can find inside of it. So first thing, wrapped in bubble wrap, you're going to notice that is the Z-Flash module. Also included is a USB cable. This is going to plug your module into your computer so you can program it. One of the controllers that's included is a Hardwire cable, which you can connect to any sort of 12-volt switch box, controller, or something of the sort. If you don't have an external controller, you can use the included switch, a sweet sticker, and the user manual. First, let's go ahead and unwrap the bubble wrap from our module. So if you're familiar with the previous version of the Z-Flash OBD flasher, you'll notice this module is a little bit longer. That's to accommodate the port on the side, which plugs in either your hardwire cable or your external switch cable. There's a user manual included. This module I have here is for a Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler vehicle. The manual inside will give you basic instructions on how to wire up a T-harness or a bypass module if your vehicle needs one. Those will only be required on select Jeep, Dodge, and Chrysler vehicles. That will allow you to bypass the security features of the vehicle and still use your flasher. Instructions for installing that, if you need it, are inside here. If you need instructions for programming the software and operating it, you can find those at thezflash.com or ultrabrightlights.com. Now, the hardwire cable is again used for any sort of controller or external 12-volt switch. This will plug into the port on the side. You'll have two wires, one for mode 1, the other for mode 2, or connect both for mode 3. Now, of course, you can only use the switch or the hardwire. You can't use both because there's only one port. If you use the switch, you'll only get one mode, but you'll be able to turn it on and off and change the pattern right from the switch. For the hardwire cable, you'll have to set the pattern in the software in order to pick which pattern you want to use for each mode. The USB cable is a mini USB cable, plugs directly into the back, connects to your USB port on your PC. This is exactly what you'll find inside your Z-Flash package. These are shipping, in stock, and available now. If you like what you saw, be sure to click like and subscribe to our channel for more great videos. And if you have any questions, drop us a comment below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.